taste is incredible. Welcome back. Today we're gonna make another easy and simple recipe with chicken and lemongrass. For the ingredient, of course, we need 700 grams of chicken, then 3 lemongrass, also 2 chili peppers and a few garlic. Finally, some oyster sauce, chicken powder, pepper, and chili oil. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of chicken powder to the chicken. Also, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half of tablespoon of chili oil. Also, we need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it well and marinate it for 15 minutes. Next, cut the lemongrass in small pieces. Also, cut the garlic in small pieces. And finally, do the same thing with the chili peppers. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then, add the lemongrass, garlic, and chili peppers. Then stir a little bit. Add the chicken. Now, cover the pan and cook it for a few more minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Here you go! So simple! Eat it with rice. Bon appetit!